morning students. Today grade 3rd subject social science topic festivals of India. Today aim students will be able to describe religious festival. Describe religious festivals. Today keywords religious festivals celebrate Kuruprab Eid harvest national and parade. Which festivals do you celebrate in India? India has many religious festivals that are celebrated by different people across the country. Some religious festivals are Deepavali, Kuruprab, Eid and Christmas, and another national festivals Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Next, Deepavali festival. Deepavali is celebrated by the Hindus in October or November. People believe that on this day, Lord Rama returned to Ayodhya after killing Ravana. On Deepavali, people light clay lamps with oil. Families get together and pray to God. They wear new clothes, friends and relatives exchange gifts, tray fruits and sweets. Deepavali is also known as the Festival of Lights. Next, about Christmas. Christmas is celebrated by Christians on 25th December as the birthday of Lord Jesus Christ. On this day, families usually eat Christmas cake, meat and pudding among other things together. Most families decorate Christmas trees with bells and stars. People sing Christmas carols, wear new clothes and exchange gifts. Some people dress up as Santa Claus and distribute. Next, Ramzan festivals. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated by the Muslims at the end of the month of Ramadan. On Eid, many people buy new clothes. Men visit the mosque for prayers, while women pray at home. People embrace and wish each other, saying Eid Mubarak. Families and friends eat together to enjoy special food like biryani, kurma, seviyan. Next, Kuruprab festivals. Kuruprab is celebrated by the Sikhs as Guru Nanak Dev's birthday. This is celebrated in the month of November. On Kuruprab day, most people decorate their homes and gurdwaras with lights. They visit the gurdwara to pray and to share the food blessed by the gurus. Next, harvest festivals. The festivals such as Baisakhi, Pongal and Bigu are celebrated as harvest festivals. Harvest festivals are celebrated to thank nature for giving us good crops. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu in January. People boil rice in new pots. Cooked rice is offered to the sun god to thank him for a good harvest. In other states such as West Bengal, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh, this day is celebrated as Makara Sankranti and as Lohri in Punjab. Next, Bihu is held in Assam to celebrate the Hut harvest. Rangoli. Bihu is the most important of all festivals. It's celebrated in April. Bihu is celebrated in January around the same time as Pongal. During Bihu, people greet each other, sing and dance. People usually gift each other a cloth called jamosa. Most people also eat special dishes. Next, national festivals. We also have some national festivals which are celebrated by everyone in our country. These days are also national holidays when the entire country comes together to celebrate. Republic Day on 26th January every year. India celebrates its Republic Day. On this day in 1950, our Constitution came into action. Every year a parade is organized from the India Gate to the Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. March fast and song and dance from different states to show the beauty, culture and progress of our country. Independence Day. On 15th August every year we celebrate Independence Day. On this day in 1947, India became an independent country. The Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi and makes a speech. Most people fly kites on this day. Next, Gandhi Jayanti. On 2nd October every year, India celebrates the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi, popularly known as the Father of the Nation. On this day, people usually visit Rajghat, the Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi in New Delhi. Okay, students, today see about festivals of India. Some festivals: Deepavali, Christmas, Eid al-Fitr, Gurpurab, Pongal, Bihu, national festivals. Okay, students, watch this video. Okay, thank you.